Introducing the cutting-edge inventory management solution for healthcare providers. Manage high-value and critical care products with increased visibility. Monitor accurately and report through Verified Inventory Program Consignment, VIPC. Developed by FFF Enterprises, a major distributor of plasma products, vaccines, and biopharmaceuticals in the United States. The VIPC system is a radio frequency identification or RFID-based solution that tracks and monitors these sensitive products and the conditions in which they are stored. VIPC allows you to track and receive reports about pedigree, lot numbers, and expiry of medications in your pharmacy. Automate error-prone manual tasks. Optimize inventory levels with automatic replenishment to customized levels. Identify recalled products easily. Eliminate your carrying costs. Easily meet compliance requirements. Increase staff efficiency. Focus on patient care. Enhance patient safety. What are the advantages to this system? Lives are saved when these critical care products can be kept on hand in healthcare facilities. In the event of urgent increased need, FFF Enterprises can source other VIPC products from nearby facilities and deliver them quickly. Money is saved. Customers are invoiced only for products they use, not for products stored. No liability for expired product. VIPC preemptively pulls and replaces product well before its beyond use date. No hidden stocking fees or lease agreements. Keep your critical inventory stocked automatically. Set the levels to meet your needs and refill products if your inventory reaches a specific limit. All cabinets are temperature controlled and come with built-in RFID readers and antennas, configured to work with Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or cellular connections. There are two types of cabinets. Chilling products between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, 35.6 and 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeping the items at an ambient temperature between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius, 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure the product is stored within the required temperature range. Cabinets are available in 4 sizes: 2.3, 5.2, 12, and 26 cubic feet. The VIPC RFID technology continually monitors cabinet temperature and stock, sending email alerts and notifications that can be received on any smart device. FFF Enterprises applies an RFID tag to each product box that links a unique ID to its description and expiration data in the VIPC system. The tagged products are then shipped to customers, who receive them and place them in the temperature-controlled cabinet. Upon closing the cabinet door, the cabinet's reader uses the RFID technology to identify each item's ID tag and updates the system. When a product is removed from the cabinet, the system automatically posts an update to indicate its removal. If not returned to the cabinet, the product will be presumed to have been used. Verified inventory will be invoiced after it has been out of the cabinet for 2 consecutive midnights. A restock order is sent if par levels have been reached. When a product is returned to the cabinet, the software determines if it has spent an excessive amount of time outside the cabinet's controlled temperature. If so, an alert is sent to both FFF Enterprises and the healthcare provider's management, notifying them of the possible problem. With these alerts, both parties can monitor quality and temperature excursions and know whether the product has been compromised. Load verified inventory into the cabinet as soon as it is received. Remove products from the cabinet as needed. Return unused products to the cabinet immediately. Be sure to store products removed from the cabinet in accordance with the manufacturer's storage requirements. For best results when rotating inventory, keep the door open until all products have been placed. Inventory inside the cabinet is read every time the door closes. Do not remove RFID tags. If a product is returned to the verified cabinet without the RFID tag, the cabinet will not recognize the product and you will be billed. The RFID tag is disposable and should be discarded with the packaging after the product is used. All parties need to be made aware if there are any issues with the temperatures. If a temperature excursion is reported by the verified cabinet, your designated pharmacy contacts will be notified via email and phone. Please follow the directions given. If the verified cabinet is unable to return to a suitable temperature, you may be asked to temporarily move the verified inventory to an alternate storage location. Today's healthcare organizations are tasked with decreasing costs while improving patient outcomes. The efficient management of your inventory has a direct impact on your patient's safety as well as your bottom line. Streamline your high-value medication inventory management with our system that provides unprecedented real-time visibility of your critical care products, freeing you to focus on your patients. To learn more about FFF Enterprises Verified Inventory Program Consignment, VIPC, contact us at VIPmanager@fffenterprises.com or call 800-843-7477, extension 1142.